Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I deal with cutting a tight radius corner with a bandsaw without forcing the blade through that tight radius of turn. As you can see, I have already finished that corner there and on another piece, that corner there. And to be 100% transparent on this, I'm not going to change the blade on the bandsaw because this corner is going to get finished with an oscillating spindle sander. The drum on it is obviously mounted to match the radius of, or almost match the radius of this turn, so it's not rocket science from here on. The blade that I'm using on the bandsaw is 16 millimeters wide, 5/8, so not especially skinny, not really made for tight turns. You can see there the blade tension, 5/8, 16 millimeter blade. I deal with this tight radius here with the bandsaw blade. Instead of trying to make a curved cut here, I make a series of straight cuts. Instead of placing tension on the saw blade and the guide bearings and twisting the blade into the cut, I avoid all that tension on the blade and all that wear and tear. You'll see I just go with straight cuts. I'm going to use the fence a little bit. So let's cut one. I'll show you in a sec. Where these pieces go is in a washroom where the shape of porcelain fixtures have been traced here with a marker simply, and it's kind of the porcelain fixture is rounded, has a curvature to it, not just a corner, but so tracing it is only so precise. So that's why I didn't exactly cut on the line here. I'm giving myself a little extra space here. So now, what do I do with that corner? Very straightforward, and I'm making straight cuts. I'm making triangles basically. Looking like this. So this is the first one. You can see how it went. The second one is going to be a tiny triangle. There, you get the idea. And I'm going to make a series of straight cuts here, relief cuts. Like so. None of these straight cuts stress the blade whatsoever. And I'm making tiny pieces of garbage. Yeah, these ones, so they just bounce away, getting that to the desired shape. Once it's close enough with a bandsaw, it's time for the spindle sander. It's coming along rather easily and fast. I say we're done. How about that?